guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. So today, we're going to spice things up, and we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you guys how to make Venezuelan hot dogs. Now let me tell you, these hot dogs are going to put hair on your chest. They're so full of flavor, and you're going to definitely want to try them. So what we're going to need first, before we get started, is just a regular plastic container that we're going to put our garlic sauce in. Cheddar cheese. And so what I like to use, a little bit bigger than a hot dog bun. So you're going to need just a regular original version of Ruffles potato chips, Angus beef hot dogs, and they're a little bit longer than regular hot dogs. You need 1 onion, 1 head of cabbage, 1 lemon, cilantro, cloves of garlic, vinegar, vegetable oil, a chopper, and a blender. So the first thing you want to do is actually focus on making your garlic sauce. And this is probably going to be the most time consuming, but it's super fun to make. So the first thing we're going to add is about 7 regular garlic cloves, and we're just going to add those into our blender. Next, we're going to chop up a half of a lemon. And we're just going to squeeze the lemon right into our mixture here. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of regular white vinegar. Next, we're going to add our half a cup of mayonnaise. And we're going to add this right into our blender. Pull out a little portion of your cilantro, this much here. And you're just going to chop up your cilantro really fine with just a regular knife. So before we actually put our cilantro in the blender, we actually want to blend all of our mayonnaise and our vinegar and everything first. After you've blended everything for about a minute, we're going to add all of our cilantro into our blending mixture. Once we've added our cilantro, we're now going to blend that for about another 30 seconds. We're now going to add our 1 teaspoon of regular mustard. After the mustard, you're going to go ahead and measure your half a cup of regular vegetable oil. During this, you're going to pour in your vegetable oil slowly while your mixture is blending. We've added all of our half a cup of regular vegetable oil. I wanted to show you all the consistency of our mixture that we've made for the garlic sauce. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer this sauce into a really nice container that we can just add easily onto our hot dogs. Okay, so after we've transferred all of our garlic sauce into the plastic container, we're going to go ahead and just get like a regular sized pot, and we're just going to fill it up with just a little bit of water, just enough to cover all the Angus beef hot dogs that we have. Next, I'm going to place the Angus beef hot dogs into the pot. And I'm going to transfer them over to the stove here, and we're just going to put them on the fire. While we're waiting for our hot dogs to actually get done and to boil on the stove, you're just gonna get like a regular mixing bowl. We're gonna mix the cabbage and our cilantro into a nice salad. So first you're just gonna take your head of cabbage and we're gonna cut it up to only maybe use about 1/4 of the cabbage. So once you've cut up about 1/4 of your head of cabbage, you're just gonna transfer it into one of your choppers. And we're gonna really condense this down and chop it up really fine. So after it's well blended, you're gonna see like the texture of what we're looking at for the cabbage. I'm gonna transfer that into a regular salad mixing bowl. So you can see how we nicely just chopped up all the cabbage here. So next we're going to get just about 1/4 of the rest of our cilantro here. And we're going to take that out and we're going to chop that up in the chopper next. It's all chopped up now, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that into our salad mixing bowl here. After we've added our cilantro and our chopped up cabbage, we're just going to add another 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. And then next, we're just gonna take 2 spoons and we're just gonna mix all this together. So while the hot dogs are finishing up the boiling process on the stove, we can actually add one of these on top of the pot. And then you can open up your desired amount of hot dog buns and kind of open them up a little bit like this and place them on top. And that's going to allow the hot dog bun to absorb all of that moisture, and it's really going to make the hot dog taste a lot better. While our hot dog buns are actually absorbing all of that delicious taste, we're going to go ahead and prepare our onion. And I'm going to go ahead and place that all in my chopper and get that all diced up. After you finish chopping up all of your onions, you're just gonna come back over to the stove and just turn off the fire. Next, you're just gonna get your original bag of Ruffles potato chips, and you're gonna get like just a regular Ziploc bag, and we're gonna put about half of the original bag of potato chips in our Ziploc bag. You're just gonna seal the bag. And what we're gonna do is just grind up all of these potato chips really fine. Okay guys, we have all the ingredients ready, and gosh, I wish you guys could smell this kitchen right now. It smells so good. I wish that you guys could try these hot dogs right now, and I can't wait for you guys to be able to taste them. So first, I'm just gonna grab just a regular bun. And these hot dogs, they can be made for any event, any cookout, any family gathering that you're gonna have. So you're just gonna come over to the pot here and just grab one. Next, you're gonna add all of your delicious cilantro, all that delicious cabbage. Then you're gonna add the onion. Next, we're gonna add the delicious garlic sauce that we made. And the mayonnaise. Ketchup. The mustard. We're gonna add our crumpled up ruffled potato chips. And then we're just gonna go back on and add all of your extra condiments again. So this is all your own preference, but we definitely love that garlic and cilantro taste. So we're gonna add that again. We're gonna add some more mayonnaise. More ketchup. Mustard. And then lastly, we're gonna top it off with some delicious shredded cheese. Now don't tell me that does not look delicious. All right guys, here comes the fun part. Out of all this, we are ready to finally taste this Venezuelan style hot dog. I swear guys, this taste is like something you've never tasted before. It'll literally knock you down on the floor. It's amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Guys, let me tell you, you can literally taste everything. You can taste the garlic, the cilantro, the onion, the cabbage, the mustard, everything. I mean, it's literally like your taste buds are like a huge explosion. It's so amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video on making Venezuelan style hot dogs. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys back here next time, all right? Take care.